Bitcoin weathers the storm. A deep dive into today's market. April 28, 2024. Bitcoin, BTC, the undisputed heavyweight champion of the cryptocurrency world, finds itself in a state of cautious optimism today, April 28, 2024. Despite a recent dip, the price has stabilized around $63,000, offering a temporary respite from the volatility experienced earlier in the week. However, this relative stability masks a complex web of factors influencing Bitcoin's current landscape. A price in flux. Navigating market uncertainties. Following the disappointing U.S. inflation report, Bitcoin, along with other cryptocurrencies, experienced a period of fluctuation. Investors, concerned about the prospects of a near-term rate cut, adopted a more cautious approach, leading to a price decline. However, Bitcoin seems to be finding its footing again, hovering around the $63,000 mark. The rejected ETF dream, a missed opportunity for institutional investors? A significant factor contributing to the current atmosphere of uncertainty is the recent U.S. SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, decision to reject applications for spot Bitcoin ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Spot ETFs were seen as a potential gateway for institutional investors to enter the cryptocurrency market. These traditional investment vehicles offer a familiar structure for institutions, allowing them to gain exposure to Bitcoin without directly purchasing the underlying asset. Their rejection might limit the influx of new, large-scale investors, potentially dampening the market sentiment. Regulatory headwinds and growing scrutiny. Adding to the concerns are signs of increased regulatory scrutiny in some jurisdictions. The Indian government recently announced plans to bring cryptocurrencies under money laundering provisions, highlighting the growing global regulatory focus on the crypto space. While regulations provide a framework for responsible innovation, overly restrictive measures could stifle the growth of the cryptocurrency industry. A beacon of hope. Network activity at an all-time high. Despite the present challenges, there are positive developments within the Bitcoin ecosystem. The Bitcoin network recently achieved a significant milestone, with daily transactions exceeding 927,000. This all-time high in network activity indicates continued user engagement and potentially growing adoption. A healthy and vibrant network is crucial for the long-term sustainability of Bitcoin. The analyst's crystal ball, predicting the unpredictable. Financial analysts remain divided on Bitcoin's near-term future. Some experts predict a potential price correction in the coming weeks, citing factors like regulatory uncertainty and the absence of spot ETFs. Others maintain a bullish outlook, pointing to Bitcoin's limited supply and the potential for future institutional adoption, even without spot ETFs, as reasons for optimism. Beyond the headlines. Exploring the underlying factors. Understanding Bitcoin's current situation demands a deeper look into the fundamental factors influencing its price. Halving cycle. Bitcoin undergoes a predetermined halving event roughly every 4 years, where the block reward for miners is cut in half. This programmed scarcity is a key element of Bitcoin's design, intended to control inflation and potentially drive up the price over time. The next halving event is expected in 2024, and some analysts believe its anticipation is already playing a role in the current market dynamics. Institutional investors. While the SEC's rejection of spot ETFs deals a blow to hopes of rapid institutional adoption, it doesn't necessarily preclude it entirely. Major financial institutions are exploring various avenues to participate in the cryptocurrency space, and Bitcoin remains the most established and well-recognized digital asset. Adoption and utility. The broader adoption of Bitcoin as a legitimate payment method by businesses and individuals will be critical for its long-term success. Increased real-world utility will further solidify Bitcoin's position as a store of value and potentially drive its price appreciation. Conclusion. A time for strategic optimism. For Bitcoin investors and those interested in the cryptocurrency landscape, this period necessitates a strategic approach. While short-term price movements remain unpredictable, Bitcoin's underlying fundamentals, limited supply, robust network activity, and potential for future adoption suggest it might weather the current storm. However, regulatory challenges and ongoing market volatility demand ongoing vigilance and thorough research before making any investment decisions. The content provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial or investment advice. Viewers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.